All right, this is a 9x9 Clopay 4051 W6 wind load with the Chamberlain B2211T that we just installed on new construction. One-piece T-rail. Door is a flush door. Has gotten a little muddy because the door was hung about a month ago and we came back for the motor.